Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Hello everyone, good morning. Hi sir, how are you? I'm doing some 3D printing, designing now. This is my model AK above me. Just created to give me inspiring in front of me. Some designing going on for the printing. This is the thing which I'm going to design. Is the designing already done? I am going to do the printing. So what I'm going to do, after many printing, I forgot which patient is the number of 63. I go there, I have to do writing here the MD 63. MD 63, so I will not forget. Use the surface, and maybe I increase the boldness to look it better. This is nice now. Perfect. Fine. I have to choose which printer. Printer number 2. PLA 0.4. Go for slicing. This is my Evomni model, which just created like a fun to keep me inspiring. I'm going to do in the future to socket and artificial limb to put it here. It's done. Let me see the things. Okay, looks good. It will take to me 3 hours 50 minutes, around 4 hours to print, and the total material is going to use 298 gram, around 300 gram. And let me see, I will give printing, print and upload. ready to print. Once the temperature reach to 1560, is the printing is going to start. Just going to start. This is 52% done. The socket, this socket is just recently started, and here is another going on 20%. And close it like the temperature inside. Thanks to join. See you in next designing. Bye bye, take care.